You're a new e-learning course author putting your material online. What's your first step? The bedrock of every online course is a learning management system, or LMS. Learning management systems are applications designed to deliver, track, and manage your e-learning content. LMSs serve as hubs for online learning and provide you with the tools you need to facilitate the creation and delivery of your course. The typical LMS has dozens of features to familiarize yourself with before you start building. Your learners will be interacting with your LMS, and their overall experience with your online course will be dictated by the work you put in on the front end. Want to learn more about taking full advantage of an LMS? Click the link below and get access to how to create an online course masterclass on your training base today.